In topic 23, question 2, again, we're going to have a system of inequalities. So there's an electronics store that wants to sell at least $1,800 worth of printers and computers. Each printer is $50 and each computer is $400. And we see here the store can ship a maximum of 10 items per day. So again, first we want to define our variables. So we're going to say X is printers, Y is computers. So to write the system of inequalities, the number of printers plus the number of computers has to be less than or equal to 10 because that's the most that they can ship in a day. Now here we bring in the cost. Printers are $50, computers are $400, and they want to make at least greater than or equal to $1,800. So here is our system of inequalities. Now, we're going to need to graph that. So I'm going to move over here. So when we're graphing it, the first thing I want to do is solve both of them for y. So here I had to subtract x from both sides. So I get y is less than or equal to 10 minus x. Now the other inequality, I have to subtract 50x from both sides and then divide by 400. So I get y is greater than or equal to 4.5 minus 0.125x. So notice both of these are equal to, so we're going to graph both of them with a solid line. This one is less than, so we'll shade down. The other one is greater than, so we're going to shade up. So we're going to put both of those into the calculator, 10 minus x into y1, and 4.5 minus 0.125x into y2. I'm going to get coordinate points. You don't need to use all of them. So here's 3 points you can use for this inequality. And then here I'm just really choosing the whole number of points here because there will be a lot of decimals. So I've already plotted those points here. So the first inequality, here's our 3 points from the table here. And I'm going to draw a solid line. And then, because it's less than or equal to, we're going to shade down. Now, the other inequality is also a solid line. Whoops. Okay, the other inequality is also a solid line. And now this one, because it was greater than or equal to, we're going to be shading up above the line. Now, the solution set of a system of inequalities is in this area where the shading overlaps. That's SS for solution set. So it says determine then a combination of printers and computers that would allow them to meet both constraints. So I want to identify a coordinate point in the solution set. So I'm going to pick point right here. All right, that's the coordinate point 2, 6. So that means they could sell 2 printers and 6 computers, and that would satisfy both constraints. Good job.